Hey everyone, we are super excited to introduce our course that is Let's Crack the Gate. It is a pan-India free gate training program which has been initiated by 1500 plus TechU faculties across India.
For those who are unaware about TechUp 3, it is a Government of India and World Bank sponsored initiative. TechUp 3 was launched back in year 2017 to improve the quality of engineering education in existing institutions of focus states. To improve the performance of students in GATE, TechUp 3 provided free GATE training to all the students of these benefited institutions for the last 3 years. The performance of these students were observed to significantly improve because of this training program. Many students secured under 100 AIR in their very first attempt. Many got selected into PSUs. Many went to ISC, IITs, NITs, and other reputed institutes for their postgraduate, such as MTech, MS, and integrated PhD programs.
Let's have a look at what is the role of TechU faculties and what are the objectives of Let's Crack the Gate initiative. In TechUp 3 project, total 1554 doctorates, postgraduates from reputed institutes like IISc, IITs, NITs have been recruited as assistant professor in engineering colleges of 12 different states. These assistant professors were selected on the basis of GATE score and rigorous interview process conducted by NIT Council all over India.
These assistant professors played a vital role in improving the performance of students in GATE. Also, these faculty members have been consistently mentoring students preparing for GATE and other competitive exams. With this objective, all the TechU faculties thought of bringing this free GATE training initiative to the students who does not belong to these focus institutes, so that they can also take the benefit of high quality faculties.
Next, let's take a look at the objectives of Pan India Free GATE Training Program. The main objectives are to provide free online GATE training by highly qualified faculties who have graduated from IISc, IITs, NITs with good ranks in GATE exam and having teaching experience of more than 3 years in government engineering colleges. We will be discussing the preparation strategies with the students at regular intervals. We will also be monitoring students' knowledge and performance continuously by conducting various tests like chapter-wise test, subject-wise test, and mock test.
Providing online study materials and assignments to the students. Motivating the students for higher studies and research and thus producing value products for the nation. Some of the expected outcomes of the Pan India Free GATE Training Program include:
Number 1. To enhance the teaching and learning process not only for the students but faculties also. Number 2. To provide an open access platform, this program is not only for the students of TechU funded institutes, rather it is open for all the GATE aspiring students. And number 3. TechU faculties are spread all over India, having vast knowledge of multiple languages. Thus, we have planned to provide lectures in regional languages as well. On behalf of all TechU faculties, I would like to say, I'm not saying that I'm gonna change the world, but I guarantee that I will spark the brain that will. This quote is from Tupak Shakur, but the feelings are from all 1500 plus TechU faculties for you students. Thank you for watching this introductory video. Join us by subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications regularly.